Hi guys, I just wanted to explain the homework. So once you've gone and you've found some articles from your opposing viewpoints or somewhere else from the library, you want to go through and you want to determine its credibility. So what you're going to do is choose one of those articles. You're going to put your MLA citation here. You're going to tell me what type of source it is, current, right? What was the information published? Is it recent enough? Then you tell me why. Relevance, does the information relate to your topic? Explain, is it the appropriate information at appropriate level, right? Is this, for college level students, is this a complicated dissertation? Kind of talk to me about it. Authority, who's the creator, the author, or the author's credentials? What are the qualifications? Website URL, is it a .com, a .edu, a .gov? Is the information supported by evidence? Are the citations or bibliography included? Are there spelling error, grammars? Purpose, does the creator make their intentions clear? Are there any political biases? Things like that. So just go through and answer the questions and then submit it. And that will just be for one of your resources, but I would like for you to find a background source, a supporting source, and an opposing source. As always, if you have questions, don't hesitate to contact me. Have a great day. Bye-bye.